Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JSON Server fake REST API. So today we are going to learn about the basic CRUD operations put request or how to update data using the put request. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So this is the part of the Node.js part. So you can like this, you can also update the data, but I will go with the Postman part. Okay, so here we have the post. Like suppose I want to update with the post one. Okay, so here we go with the postman. Here I will add here. Okay, post one. So currently it's there. Get to make it put request body. So I will use the JSON, right? So what we have the title and the content. Okay, so I will just paste the title and the content like this, title and the content. Okay, and I'm going to add it over here, right? Added. Updated title, content is updated content. ID 1, send. Updated, get list of the all the posts, then and make the get request. And what happened is updated, right? So this is how we are able to update the data on the behalf of the ID in JSON server, a fake REST API. Easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.